Okay, so this video is on going to the IRS.gov website and getting your 4506-T request for transcript of tax return. That's what it's called, but that's tricky legalese. What you really want is to check this box right here, I believe. Form, that's number 8. Selection 8, Form W-2, Form 1099, 1098, and the 5498. IRS can provide a transcript that includes data from information returns, okay? State or local, not included, okay? The IRS may be able to provide this transcript information for 10 years, up to 10 years, all right, yay. Okay, so that's the box you want to check. This is what it looks like. This is for 2013. Look, it's got your W-2, okay? It's got your 1098s and your frickin' any distribution, like a 1099-R as a distribution from an IRA or a self-directed retirement metals account or like Fidelity 401k. And, you know, like an in-service withdrawal. Remember that if you ever want to, if your company probably supports that, if they're a corporation, in-service withdrawal. And all your interest deductions on your loans, you know, I guess that's a 1098, whatever. Yeah, like mortgage interest statement, okay? So this is all your information returns that your first of all, your company's one, your main one that says that your compensation is defined as wages now within the franchise is bam, that W-2, okay? That W-2 must be reneged. All these have to be reneged or you will get audited. You can get audited, you know. So you got to check the corrected box, you know. Get this form. There's a form that you can get online at the gov.gov site, IRS.gov site, to renege all these information returns that people are forced, your company forced, they will not stop issuing this form because the IRS, it's like $100,000 penalty or something. So they'll rather get sued by you than stop sending the form out. You know, the IRS will hassle them if they don't. Okay? So you have to renege all those information returns, but they don't call them information returns like the law. They don't read their own laws. So they call them, what they call it is this, wage and income transcript. Those are all your information returns that you could have lost in the effing mail. You don't need to get them, just order this form. It's so much easier because now you can file your taxes as a government employee or renege all these if you claim if you want to file just the way you want to file. You have to know about these information returns, okay, that have been filed against you illegally because the IRS bullies people to do so. Okay, and so we're going to check this box and blah, blah, blah. Fill out the form, all right? How you get there is, you know, just like you go to the IRS.gov, put in the, up here in the search, put wage and income transcript, okay? And then that'll take you to this search results. See, I put in wage and income transcript, and it takes me to the search results, okay? And go down and choose transcript types and ways to order them, maybe. Okay, and there's the chart. Go down to the chart and look at the wage and income transcript. That's what it's called, okay? It's a form request to get that. Can we order it online? No, they make it hard. We can't order the transcript online, so we have to send in the frickin' form. Yes. Click on the frickin' form 4506-T, and there's your frickin' form right there. Click on that. There you go. And this is if you're filing as a government employee or a regular private income to renege all these information returns. This wage and income transcript has all that info that you will need. Okay, that your accountant, if you want to have an accountant do it for you, they're going to do it like the IRS wants, so they don't even recognize private income. Maybe you're a doctor, I don't know, or a federal judge that doesn't have to pay the tax. Everybody has to file, though, because the IRS forces the whole world to submit these forms against you. Your company does a W-2 wage. Maybe they're a private company who are more onto this scheme and they won't do it, and there's no law that says they have to do it, but the IRS will, they'll come after them. So anyways, that's it. That's why I'm doing this video. I hope this helps everybody. It will help everybody, all right? Just don't take it too seriously, have fun with it, and that's how you get your information returns. Don't say information returns to the IRS. If you could ever get them on, I was on hold for an hour or so. They're not answering the phone anymore, people. We have to do this ourselves, all right? So this is how you avoid an audit, because you will have an information return out there that you didn't put that on as you file a government employee. If you have government income, then you'll have to take care of all these forms that were filed against you, especially the ones that are income, especially this one. Okay, so there it is. Good deal. Have fun with it. Bye.